Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tool aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you. We're diving into the world of innovation with not one, not two, but 10 incredible new tools that will make your life easier and your projects more efficient. Number 1. The InnerTwist Oscillating Tool, priced at just $59.99, is a versatile and powerful addition to your toolkit. With a 5 degrees oscillation angle, it excels in all-around performance, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from precise cuts to efficient sanding. Its robust 4.2-amp motor ensures it can handle even the toughest projects with ease. The adjustable variable speed control, ranging from 800 to 16,000 OPM, offers precision and adaptability. Safety is a priority, with maximum clamping force preventing blade slippage and an orange kickback auto-level design protecting your fingers. Convenience is key, thanks to the tool-free accessory system and universal fit for major brands. The 33-piece accessory kit covers various projects, all neatly stored in the included nylon carrying bag. The InnerTwist Oscillating Tool is a versatile powerhouse, offering safety, convenience, and exceptional value. Elevate your DIY projects with this must-have tool. Number 2. The Jorgensen 6-inch OneHand clamp spreader, priced at a reasonable $29.99, is a game-changer in the world of clamps. With an impressive clamping force, it surpasses its competition while offering the convenience of one-handed operation. Its 6-inch maximum opening capacity and a 3 3/8-inch deep reach jaw make it a versatile tool for various tasks. The inclusion of protective pads ensures your workpieces remain unscathed during clamping, and the contoured comfort grip makes it comfortable for prolonged use. What truly sets this clamp apart is its patented feature that allows you to join two clamps together with a simple flip of the head, increasing the clamping capacity by 6 inches without the need for extra tools or accessories. Additionally, it easily converts into a spreader clamp, making it invaluable for hobbyists, woodworkers, professionals, and cabinet makers. The Jorgensen 6-inch one-hand clamp spreader is a reliable and versatile addition to any toolbox, offering exceptional value for its price. Number 3. At just $11.99, the No-Cry Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool is a budget-friendly gem that proves its worth in practicality and convenience. With a 25 pounds pull force, it provides a strong magnetic grip that effortlessly retrieves metallic objects from hard-to-reach places. The telescopic design extends up to 30 inches, ensuring you can access tight spots with ease. It's a versatile tool for various situations, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, mechanic, or simply dealing with household chores. The non-slip handle and extendable magnet make it easy to maneuver and control. You won't have to worry about accidentally dropping or losing the items you've picked up. The standout feature is the extra strong magnet, which ensures you can grab items of various sizes and weights with confidence. Whether it's retrieving a dropped screw in your garage or rescuing a small tool from beneath your car, this tool has got you covered. Number 4. The Makita B35097 Impactable Ultramagnetic Torsion Insert Bit Holder, priced at a mere $3.67, is a remarkable tool that defies its size and cost. Its extreme torsion technology allows the holder to flex under load, relieving pressure on the bit tip and enhancing durability in high-torque applications. The two-piece design ensures optimal activation of the torsion technology, guaranteeing consistent performance. What truly sets it apart is the rare earth neodymium magnet, which is twice as powerful as standard magnets. This exceptional magnetic strength makes one-handed fastening a breeze. The bit holder excels in various demanding tasks, from deck building to framing and subfloor installation. Number 5. The AZARK oscillating saw blades, priced at $35.97, are a game-changer for precision cutting tasks. With 10 extra-long reach arc-edge multi-tool blades, they are a versatile addition to any toolkit. The Japanese teeth design ensures clean and accurate cuts, whether you're working with wood or metal, eliminating the need for rework. Crafted from durable CRV and BiMetal materials, these blades can handle the toughest materials and heavy-duty usage, providing long-lasting performance. What makes them even more impressive is their universal quick-release compatibility, making them a hassle-free fit for most oscillating tools. The extra-long reach adds to their versatility, allowing you to access tight spaces and make intricate cuts effortlessly. At $35.97, these blades offer exceptional value, combining precision, durability, and ease of use. Upgrade your cutting capabilities with these multi-tool blades for a professional touch in every project. Number 6. The HIKA BiMetal Hole Saw Kit, priced at $31.90, is a must-have for precision hole cutting tasks. With its robust bimetal construction, it effortlessly tackles materials like thin metal, hardwood, PVC board, and plastic plates. The kit's 17 pieces cover a wide range of hole sizes from 3/4 inch to 2.5 inch, catering to diverse cutting needs. What sets this kit apart is its inclusivity. It includes mandrels and hole saw bits, eliminating the need for additional purchases. The organized case ensures easy access and storage for all your hole saws and accessories. From plumbing to electrical work and carpentry, this kit proves its versatility in various applications. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, you can count on it for precise and efficient hole cutting. At $31.90, it offers exceptional value and simplifies your projects, delivering consistent and reliable results every time. Number 7. The Catac 6-piece bit holder keychain, priced at a mere $9.99, is a tiny yet incredibly efficient tool organizer. Its push-to-unlock mechanism sets it apart, allowing for lightning-fast bit changes, saving time and frustration. Despite its lightweight and portable design, this keychain is built to withstand daily wear and tear, thanks to its durable aluminum alloy construction. Its 1/4-inch hex shank compatibility ensures it works seamlessly with most screwdriver bits, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. The included black carabiner makes it easy to attach to your belt, bag, or keychain, providing quick access to your essential bits on the go. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize convenience and efficiency, this bit holder keychain is an affordable investment that simplifies your work and keeps your bits organized and accessible. Number 8. The Callout bulb planter tool, priced at $28.99, revolutionizes the way we approach gardening. Its serrated base is a game changer, ensuring that every bulb finds its perfect home with precision and ease. Whether you're planting delicate tulips, vibrant irises, or cheerful daffodils, this tool simplifies the process, making it a joy rather than a chore. What sets it apart is the long handle, designed for comfort and ease. Say goodbye to backaches and sore knees. This planter allows you to work while standing, providing a soft grip for extended use. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can tackle any soil condition, promising years of reliable service. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this planter streamlines the bulb planting process, helping you create beautiful flower beds and vibrant garden landscapes effortlessly. For those who value both efficiency and the beauty of their gardens, the Callout bulb planter tool is a must-have addition to your gardening toolkit. Number 9. The Fasanoplastic razor blade scraper, available at an affordable price of $10.99, is the ultimate adhesive remover tool you need in your arsenal. Crafted from high-quality hot-molded plastic, it boasts exceptional strength and flexibility, guaranteeing durability for your various tasks. With 2 plastic razor blade scrapers and a generous 100 replacement blades included, this tool ensures uninterrupted performance and ease of maintenance. The ergonomic design features comfortable handles, reducing hand fatigue and providing enhanced grip and control. Its lightweight and compact form make it easily portable, fitting conveniently in your pocket for on-the-go tasks. This scraper is a versatile powerhouse, suitable for removing labels, stickers, window film, decals, and other stubborn adhesives from car windows and windshields. Safety is paramount with the use of plastic blades, protecting your fingers and surfaces. Say goodbye to adhesive challenges with this efficient and dependable tool that combines practicality, safety, and value. Number 10. The newborn 930 GTD drip-free smooth hex rod cradle caulking gun, priced at just $11.98, offers a remarkable blend of precision, comfort, and affordability. Designed for professional-grade performance, this caulking gun stands out for its drip-free functionality, making it ideal for low-viscosity materials. The 10-to-1 thrust ratio and smooth pressure rod reduce the effort required for operation while maintaining a quiet, efficient performance. The automatic retraction of the rod after each trigger pull eliminates messy drips, ensuring a clean workspace. Comfort is key, and this caulking gun delivers with its padded handle, trigger, and thermoplastic comfort grip. Extended use is a breeze, as it minimizes hand fatigue. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the newborn 930 GTD caulking gun offers precise, hassle-free caulking at an unbeatable value. Say goodbye to messy applications and hello to efficiency and comfort with this exceptional tool.